like the shop, and he does like thrift hauls and stuff. So I found these, and these are like super heavy. I don't know if they're, what kind of material they're starting to rust, if you can tell. So I was going to originally put these in my house, but I'm just going to leave them outside for on my tables and stuff when we have cookouts and stuff on my patio. So I just thought those were super cute, and they're silver. And I got 2 of them. So just pretty simple DIY. I got, so look at me, I had them set up like this so they got sun. I didn't want to stick them in the ground because I didn't want them to get all muddy, but I picked these up, and if you've seen my haul, I got these at the Dollar Tree. I might actually get a couple more just for around my pond and everything, because I just think these ones are cuter than they have been. And these are silver, and I thought they would look better than the black ones, because I'm hoping that I can get this part off and it's just going to stick right in there real simple. Yeah, right. So we'll see. Let me set this camera up different, and I'll see if I can get these off. Okay, so take that sticker off. You would think they do. They just come right off. Look at that. That's so easy. So I'm going to take these stickers off. This is the easiest DIY, guys. I'm sorry. This is boring kind of, but gives you an idea at least. I didn't know these would come off that easy though, and I did buy these. So go to the Dollar Tree. I guarantee these are going to go pretty fast. You can do all kinds of cute crafts with them. Okay, then there's this little pull tab. Taking that out, and let's see if they fit in my candle holder. Okay, so here's my candle holder. Oh my god, they do. Look, that's like it was supposed to be like. Look at that. It was supposed to be like that. I don't know if I should leave them stuck like that, or should I glue them on here? I don't want to glue them because then I'm going to have to change them out. I don't know how I'm going to stick them on there. But look how cute that is. That is like the best idea ever. Okay, I'm going to go do the other ones. Okay guys, look at that. That's going to look super cute by my table. But I'm going to have to, like the wind blew and literally just fell one fell off. I forgot this tab. Look at my grass, it needs help. Okay, but anyway, you can see how unsturdy they are. So I'm gonna have to do something with them to leave them get. I'm gonna have to do something with them to let them get stuck in there. So let me think, and I will show you what this looks like at nighttime because I think it's gonna look cute. Okay, so anyway, if anything, that gives you a super easy decoration for outside. If anything, I actually have a chandelier that I was going to put inside my gazebo, but I'd have to just like leave it set out and then hang it in there at nighttime so the solar lights could get obviously sunlight. So anyway, that is super cute. I'm glad I didn't throw those away. I almost threw that candle holder away because it was rusting, so you can't really tell. For outside, that's kind of cute. I will show you what this looks like at night. And let you know how it says these flicker. I read that somewhere on these Dollar Tree things. Oh, right there, and I ripped the tag. It says flickering light. So I don't know how different they are going to be than the normal ones that they normally have. So I will show you what this looks like once it gets dark. Hopefully there's enough sun, because I just got these literally an hour ago, so they haven't been in the sun all day. So we'll see if they light up, and I will show you what they look like. Okay, so not all of them are lit up, but like I said, they didn't sit out in the sun all day, but I think they'll be super cute for summer.